Okay, I'm about done with the mock-up work for this little ammo can boombox thing. I was asked by the manufacturer to give a small review on this little board right here that I got from a place called AOSHIKE. It is a TPA 316, and it came with the items that are in the box there, the knobs and some chassis mount hardware. The board itself, it came with no wires. It did come with this information pamphlet which explains a little bit more about the item. Initial review of this item during mock-up, I can say it connected very easily to my Amazon Fire tablet, which I was quite surprised because some stuff I purchased in the past from other places did not connect as easily. So I haven't checked how far I can be away from the unit with the connection before it disconnects, but if you're going to build a stereo boombox that you don't need a control head on and you just want a Bluetooth to it, be a perfect board for that. I'm just running 2 speakers and a subwoofer on this one. I had this old 20mm ammo can that I wasn't doing anything with, and I just figured I'd stuff some speakers in it and this board and another board I purchased and make a little portable radio so I can put it in my military truck that I own. My military truck runs on 24 volts, and I'm not going to put a radio in it, as you know, most military vehicles do not have keyed ignitions and they don't have locking doors for obvious reasons. Also, one more note, this unit did not come with remote control. Obviously it's not a control head unit, so you would end up having to control it from your device that you're doing your Bluetooth from. It also has an auxiliary input on the back, which you can see back there, so you can plug in a device physically to the back of it. You'd probably have to end up putting a jack out to the front like I did. My auxiliary I'm actually using for another head unit that plugs into that had Bluetooth, because I didn't initially plan on getting this one. I initially planned on getting this unit from the same company, but for some reason the shipping was delayed on it. This unit did come with all the wires that attach into the back of it. It's got a nice blue LED screen that lights up. But the main reason why I wanted this unit was to use the USB memory stick function, and I ended up having to purchase something else for the time being. Sometimes this stuff gets mixed up when it comes overseas. That unit did come with this remote, which is nice. So originally this unit and that unit should have been paired together, but didn't work out that way. Here's the company, if I can get that in focus. Doesn't look like it's going to focus. We'll do a still shot of it and insert it. Their stuff can be found on eBay and Amazon. I purchased this directly through Amazon. So as soon as I get this all put back in the case, I'll do a sound review on it and you guys can hear what it sounds like. That's it. So this is the finished unit, and everything connects real easily to this unit that I got. Range, I can take my Amazon Fire tablet probably about 25 feet away from the unit through a door. Doesn't seem to be an issue, but after about 25 feet it starts to break up or lose connection. Connects real easily. Connected real easily to my wife's iPhone. Not an issue. There's a couple of you have the various buttons here which adjust the audio a little bit. The main volume button is also a mode change button. You push it in and it changes the mode. There's no visual, it just gives a beep beep beep. If I press it again, it should say line in.
Line in.
And that's how you know. Line in's the auxiliary. Other than that, you just push it back and then it's ready for Bluetooth. So real easy. I recommend it. This turned out pretty neat. I'm going to build another one for my vintage Volkswagen, which is 6 volt. And I'm going to use that other unit that I got from them, the other head unit, to build another one. There are some other little head units that are starting to come out now that have they have like a tablet interface, which are kind of interesting. I didn't invest in one of those. Those roughly cost about $50. Might be an interesting one to use in one of these projects, one of these toolbox or ammo can projects. Got a little power indicator over there. Lets me know what my power is when I push the momentary switch there. A little auxiliary input there. And my mode switch for either charging the batteries or running off the batteries. So it's just a 2-speaker unit. It's got a sub underneath. Right up under there I put a piece of screen there to protect the subwoofer. Sounds real decent. So that's that one. Time to work on another one. Thanks, bye.